Own your own private island. Imagine building your own island dream home on Bird Island. Enjoy unsurpassed privacy, nature at its best, and as you drink your coffee every morning, you can watch the sunrise over the lake. This property is like no other and is truly a must-see. It's also already zoned for a large home. Bird Island is a 51-acre island located in Lake Griffin on the Harris chain of lakes. You'll be surrounded by nature, native birds, wild blackberries, and even a few fruit trees. There's world-class fishing and several professional tournaments that are held on the chain of lakes every year. Just across the lake is Emeralda Marsh. It's over 10,000 acres and is designated as a National Natural Landmark. This means your island view will never be anything but Florida nature at its best. We love to say that Bird Island is in the middle of nowhere, right next to everything. While Florida's nature is great, there's also so many other things to take advantage of. Your private island paradise is located less than 60 miles from Orlando International Airport, Disney World, Universal Studios, and high-end shopping at Mall of Millennia. Many of the world's best golf courses are located throughout Central Florida. Enjoy the best Florida has to offer and then return to your island paradise. Land your seaplane or build a helicopter pad, dock your boat. There's plenty of room to fit your lifestyle. And as a bonus, even before your dream home is built, you can take advantage of all that Bird Island has to offer. There's a 2-bedroom home already on the island. It's very comfortable with everything that one needs. There's a central AC, internet, 60-inch TV in the family room, and a great porch. Call now to schedule your private showing.